Welcome back, guys, to another video. I'm not happy in this video. I'm not happy at all. And the reason why I'm not happy is because somebody decided to hit my car. Yep, somebody decided to sideswipe the rear quarter panel of my 2012 Hyundai Elantra. I haven't been out of town. I've been in town, and somebody decided that, let's just graze the side of it and not let them know and not tell them. So I'm going to show you. Luckily, it's not dented. It's just scratched on the surface of the clear coat. So I'm here to show you a way to fix it. And listen, guys, this is not high-tech stuff. You watch some of those videos on YouTube and they make you think you got to spend thousands of dollars and do all this and all that. But trust me, for the sake of like $35 to $50, you can fix little scratches in your car, okay? Little scratches, little scuffs, marks, whatever. It's very simple. Very, very, very simple. So I'm going to show you the car, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to fix it, and then I'm going to fix it. I'm going to use some compound, then I'm going to use some polish, I'm going to use my drill with a buffer pad on it, and it'll take it right away. No worries, no problems. But this is a quick and easy and cheap fix to little scuffs, scratches, or whatever on your vehicle. As long as it's not dented and you got to do Bondo work or pull dents out. I have all that gear here. But that's not what's required here today with this little job. Sucks somebody hit me, but at least I can show you guys how to fix it for nice and cheap. Because as I said, if I ever find a cheap way to do things, I'm going to show you guys, and that's what I've always done, and that's what I'm always going to do. I'm going to show you the car right now. So guys, right here is where I got hit. Right here, all in this area, somebody decided to scuff me. Somebody decided to hit the car. And I'm going to buff it out. But there's the scratches coming down the side. So you can see coming down here, all up there, all down there. That's the scratches on the car. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to get rid of it. So guys, first thing you're going to need is a drill with a buffer pad. I'm going to use two separate buffer pads, but this one is a little bit more rigid. I have a paint restoration compound, I have an ultimate compound, and I have a polish. These are the three things that I'm going to use to fix this dent. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe down the area. And it's a bad little scuff, guys. It's a bad little scuff right there. Somebody did me a number on that one. So just going to wipe down that area. I'm going to take this one, this compound, and that'll help me out. Shake it up, it's been sitting a while. Put it on the pad so you don't splash yourself, guys. I'll keep this here so you can look at it. So you don't splash yourself, just rub it in like that and just start. So that's our first go, guys. Put a different pad on. I'm going to wipe this down. It's already coming off, guys. Scratches are already coming out of it. Then we're going to take the ultimate compound right here. We're going to use this one. And I'll keep that there so you can see it. We're going to rub it in on the areas. And it's working, guys. Really good. And already, guys, before I even put the polish on it, the dent is actually, no, sorry, not the dent. The scratches are already completely gone. To be honest, I won't even need to use the polish. First, you use this one, paint restoration compound. I find this has a grit in it, and what it does is it kind of brings out the damage in the paint, kind of brings it out. I've done this 1,000 times with this stuff, okay? I always buy this. It's really good, okay? I find that when you use this first, it kind of gives you that rougher surface so that when you go in with your Meguiar's paint restoration compound, this then brings the shine back. So guys, first you want to use this one. That's what I did. I used this compound by Simmons Platinum Paint Restoration Compound. I find that this brings out all of the areas where the damage was done. It kind of like lifts it to the surface and gives it a rougher go over. You can use the Meguiar's. And the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is a color and clarity restoration. Always use the other compound first by Simmons and then use the Meguiar's this one. This is what I do. And guys, the two of these are about 40 bucks. And then anybody got a drill and you can do it that way and it'll work perfect every time. And now guys, you can look at this and see it's perfect. Not a blemish on that at all. Nice and clean and clear, no scratches, no nothing. Except for a compressor. That'll always cut in. I hope I showed you a quick, easy way to fix minor scratches on the side of your vehicle. As I said, I always show you the cheapest way, and that's what's the cheapest way to do it. Get your can of Meguiar's, get your can of Simmons, and use the Simmons compound first, then use the Meguiar's after with your drill and your buffer pad. Just buff it right out, and that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please leave me a like as always over here, and a subscribe as always over right here, and I'll see you on the next one.